It smells so bad!
Aha. Aha. What's up, everybody? I'm Steven Fan Man.
And I'm Cherish Fan.
And welcome back to our channel, Our Fantastic Life,
where we talk about fitness,
finance, and fun. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. If y'all have watched us before, you'll know that we're in the middle of our debt-free journey and our weight loss journey as well. And so sometimes on Fridays, we like to do a little fun things around the house just to kind of distract ourselves from our debt-free journey and our weight loss journey so we don't spend money or eat.
Which is our two favorite things to do.
Yes, yes it is.
So tonight, we welcome you to our laundry closet. So one of the fun things that we are going to do today is to clean out our washing machine.
I don't know if y'all could tell from like the intro. It's dirty. Like it's dirty.
It's dirty. It's dank.
I thought washing machines were like cats, you know, like self-cleaning, but I guess not. Go play, sweetie. It smells bad.
It smells bad.
It smells like rotten eggs.
Our clothes are smelling a little not desirable. So we are going to be spending
our Friday
cleaning it out.
Yes, yes we are.
Okay, let's get to it.
So some ingredients that we're using to clean out our washing machine will be baking soda, vinegar, a toothbrush, measuring cup, a rag. It's optional. I mean, we're just gonna use it, a spray bottle.
So let's get to it.
As you can see, our washing machine is very grimy with lots of spots and dirt. That's disgusting. Set it to its max load. Then set it to its hottest temperature. Let's begin. So the first thing you're going to do is pour 2 cups of baking soda. Next, we're going to pour 2 cups of white vinegar. Then we're going to pour a concoction inside the spray bottle. Then spray it throughout the washing machine. Make sure to spray within the crevices. I'm telling you, it's absolutely disgusting in there. Get your toothbrush and start scrub-a-dub-dubbing.
Babe?
Yeah?
Is that the same toothbrush that we use to wash the washing machine?
Yeah, what of it?
After brushing my teeth, I kept on scrub-a-dub-dubbing. And lastly, we got our rag and wiped it all down.
So you know Marshmallow the DJ, right? But here's a new DJ. Laundry basket!
Our kids are gonna love you.
To add some razzle-dazzle to it, we decided to add some essential oils to make it smell better. And finally, my wife wiped it down because she doesn't trust my work.
It Smells so good. All right, so there you have it. Our washing machine is now clean. Actually, it really helped though that we put some essential oils in it. It made it give this little lemony, fresh kind of. Yeah.
Freshy scent.
Exactly.
Smells so clean. Our clothes are gonna smell so clean now.
So clean.
So what a good way to spend a Friday night.
Exactly.
Didn't spend any money. Didn't eat out.
We cleaned. It's a win-win. Woo! So don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our debt-free journey, our weight loss journey, and our fun Fridays.
Woo!
Pound it!